Hey everyone! Welcome back to another episode of One Trip at a Time. Today, we are here in Poblacion, one of the most vibrant neighborhoods in Makati. This area is widely known for its buzzing nightlife, diverse restaurants, and non-stop city energy. It has become a cultural hotspot where old meets new, historic streets lined with modern high-rises, boutique hostels, creative spaces, and hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Now that we are here, let us take you to where we are staying during our time in the area. Nestled right in the heart of Poblacion, Coro Hotel and Spa will be our base as we explore and experience what this popular neighborhood has to offer. In this video, we are going to take a closer look at what this hotel has to offer, from the room to its amenities, service, and overall vibe. Stick around as we break down the details and help you decide whether this hotel deserves a spot on your travel itinerary. From the outside, Coro Hotel looks sleek and contemporary, defined by clean lines, glass walls, polished granite, and metallic paneling. It projects a sense of sophistication, hinting at a refined experience within. Walking into the lobby, the first thing you notice is how eclectic it feels. Seasonal decorations take center stage, such as floral displays for Valentine's Day. In contrast to the sleek dark floors, the structural pillars are wrapped in artificial greenery. In the middle, long couches offer a comfortable waiting area, while a curved wooden bookshelf filled with books sits beside a display section of framed posters mounted on a black wall, giving the space an art gallery vibe. A model ship on a stand adds a touch of traditional decor, and a large, multi-tiered chandelier casts ambient light across the lobby. While the overall concept aims to create a youthful, stylish, and vibrant atmosphere reminiscent of Poblacion, the execution feels somewhat tacky for a four-star property. Beyond its aesthetics, the hotel positions itself as both modern and accommodating. It is pet-friendly, making it a convenient option for guests with furry companions. The standard check-in time is 3 p.m. and the standard checkout time is 12 noon. Now that we've checked in, we made our way up to the 18th floor. Our room is located at the very end of the hall, giving it a slightly private feel. And here we are, room 1804, our home for the stay. Tara, let's head inside and have a room tour. Welcome to Coro Hotel and Spa's Presto Suite. This is a spacious 100 square meter 2-bedroom suite, the only one of its kind in the hotel, second only to the larger Aria suite. On the left, you will find the powder room. It's compact but thoughtfully designed. A square piece of wall art with fish shapes serves as a focal point above the toilet. It features a modern angular toilet, a minimalist white sink on a marble counter, a large circular mirror, and a sleek black pendant light hanging above the sink area. It is of course stocked with toiletries and a hair dryer. Stepping out of the powder room, the suite opens up, revealing a spacious layout. It begins with this functional, fully equipped kitchen. A bar table separates the kitchen from the dining area. The bar table is set up with all the essentials: tea and coffee amenities, bottled water, a kettle, packed coffee and tea, plus a Nespresso coffee maker with capsules. There's also a microwave, dinnerware, an electric stove, cooking wares, and a sink with overhead cabinets for storage. This means you have the option to prepare meals right in the suite, making stays even more convenient. And because you might be cooking in the suite, there's a full-sized fridge to store cooking ingredients, beverages, or snacks. You will likely fill the fridge with your own items, leaving space only for a few hotel bar selections such as beer and soda. The ref's generous capacity makes it easy to settle in and stock up if you are planning a longer stay. Now, let's take a look at the bathroom. The suite is advertised as having two bathrooms, but in reality, this is the only full bathroom, as the other is simply the powder room shown earlier. The features are similar to those in the powder room, but the toiletries are more elevated, which includes grooming amenities from Molton Brown, a British brand known for its high-end bath products. The bathroom also offers a full-sized bathtub. Positioned above it is a rain shower. While it provides both bathing and showering options, it isn't a walk-in shower and there's no handheld shower head. Despite this, the bathroom still offers a comfortable and functional setup. Then there's the dining space. Above it, there's an Anillo-style chandelier with illuminated floating rings. In the center is a glass-topped dining table supported by a sculptural base. And along the wall, there's a large mirror that makes the dining feel brighter and more open. Just beyond the dining space is the living area. There's a huge shelf cabinet on the right, though interestingly, it's left completely bare. Then you have a prominent high-backed purple armchair paired with a low coffee table topped with reflective glass. There's also a plain two-seater sofa accented by multiple cushions in varying textures and colors. Across from the seating area, a large TV is mounted for entertainment. However, the TV appears to be an older model, as the apps no longer work and the reception is poor. There's a console table with hotel information and a Filipino snack bar. Don't miss this thoughtful little touch that lets you sample local treats without ever leaving the suite. Let's take a closer look at the main bedroom of the Presto suite. As you enter the room, the overall design immediately feels modern and stylish. The king-sized bed serves as the focal point of the room, centered between two wooden nightstands. Suspended above each nightstand is a pendant light with a soft green shade. Above the headboard, a metallic wall art of stylized fish brings texture. Across from the bed, a large flat-screen TV is mounted on the wall. However, just like the TV in the living room, this one also has outdated apps and poor reception. Beneath it is a long console table that functions as both a decorative accent and a working desk. On the other side of the room, there is a vanity area with a circular mirror and a purple ottoman. It is seamlessly integrated into the open wardrobe. The wardrobe features hanging rods, bathrobes and slippers, an electronic safe, and a weighing scale. The open design contributes to the room's modern layout and ensures effortless access to your things. Altogether, the thoughtful arrangement of furnishings creates a bedroom that feels both functional and well organized. Then we move to the second bedroom. It follows a similar vibe to the main bedroom, keeping that same modern aesthetic throughout. It's a bit more compact, but it still feels comfortable and well put together. What sets this bedroom apart is the accent wall, with this geometric, grid-like design made up of multiple mirror panels. The bed here is queen-sized, slightly smaller than the one in the primary bedroom, but it still looks plush and inviting with crisp linens and pillows. On the left side, you will find a similar nightstand paired with a pendant light in the green shade. The room also includes a smaller open wardrobe, fully equipped with bathrobes, flat iron and ironing board, an electronic safe, a weighing scale, and slippers. Overall, this room feels like an extension of the main bedroom, maintaining the same design language and carries forward the suite's modern vibe. Finally, we make our way back through the living area and step out onto the balcony. This outdoor space feels like a private retreat. Let's step outside and take a closer look. It's an impressively spacious balcony. On this side, you will find a wicker bistro set ideal for outdoor seating. Then here's your own private dipping pool, so you can have a refreshing swim in the morning, a cool break in the afternoon, or a relaxing soak in the evening. From the balcony, you can look down onto the main hotel pool just one level below, giving you a unique vantage point over the property. This outdoor space is definitely an added highlight and makes the suite feel even more special. Now that we've explored the suite, the big question is, how much does it cost to stay here? For this trip, we booked the Presto suite at 13,800 pesos per night. This rate included room accommodation, breakfast for 4 guests, complimentary Wi-Fi, and free parking. As always, note that the rates may vary depending on the season, availability, and ongoing promotions. If you'd like to support the channel and enjoy discounted rates, you can book through our Agoda affiliate link using the QR code on screen or the link provided in the description below. Next, let's explore the facilities here at Coro Hotel. Coro Hotel markets itself as more than just a place to sleep. It claims to be an urban lifestyle destination where leisure, comfort, and convenience come together in harmony. The hotel emphasizes a vibrant and well-rounded experience that blends practical amenities with modern, enjoyable spaces for relaxation and socializing. Does it actually live up to those claims? Let's find out. We're here in one of the highlights of the hotel, the swimming pool area. The swimming pool is located up on the roof deck. It's an outdoor pool where you can take a dip while enjoying views of the Makati skyline. It's spacious, well-maintained, and surrounded by comfortable loungers and Instagrammable cabanas where you can sit back and unwind. It also features a sun shelf, a shallow ledge that's great for sunbathing, reading a book, or simply soaking in the sun without fully submerging in the water. The hotel sometimes schedule rooftop parties and live DJ nights here, making the space a fun and vibrant place to be after sunset. On the same level is Sonata Spa, where guests can indulge in massages and wellness treatments. However, the spa has poor sound insulation, which could affect your relaxation experience. For those who want to keep up with their fitness routine while traveling, the hotel also has a gym located one level up. This is the Keep Fit Gym. It offers a clean, air-conditioned space that's compact yet equipped for a solid workout. Starting off with the basics, the entire area is covered in dark, interlocking rubber floor tiles. Then there's an adjustable bench paired with a full set of dumbbells for strength training. There's also a multifunctional machine which gives versatile exercises. For cardio, the gym features a treadmill on this side and a stationary bike on the other side, giving an option for a quick run or a cycling session. And to round it out, there's a lat pull-down machine for back workouts. So if you don't want to skip your fitness routine while on vacation, this gym has you covered. If you're traveling with kids, you're going to love the Sprout Spot, the hotel's dedicated kids play area. With various play elements, it's a boredom buster for the little ones and definitely adds extra value to a family staycation. Just a few steps from the play area, you will find Uncommon Salon, great for those who want to squeeze in some self-care between meetings or sightseeing, all without leaving the property. And right by the hotel entrance, there's a handy laundry shop, making it easy to take care of chores during your stay. At this point, let's talk about the dining options here at Coro Hotel. This is the kiosk, located at the hotel lobby. Here, you can grab quick snacks, beverages, and light refreshments, a convenient option when you need something fast before heading out to explore Makati. There's also a bar table with high chairs available for guests who prefer to dine in. They even have a small souvenir corner You can pick up keepsakes to remember your stay at the hotel. Next, we have Coda Wet Bar, located at the roof deck. It's a resto bar offering seating with a view of the pool and the city skyline. It offers casual bites, pizza, pasta, and a small selection of meat dishes. Taste-wise, the food here is a hit or a miss. Lastly, there's Mezzo Food Hall, the hotel's main dining venue. This is where breakfast is served daily, offering a comfortable and modern space to start your day. The breakfast spread includes a mix of local and international options to suit various tastes. You'll find freshly baked breads and pastries, from flavorful focaccia to soft pandesal, alongside warm, fluffy pancakes and golden waffles. There's also a variety of cereals to choose from, giving you plenty of options. For carb lovers in the morning, the buffet offers everything from garlic fried rice and pasta to crispy potato wedges and steamed vegetables. The hot dishes feature favorites including fried bangus, savory beef tapa, roasted pork, roasted chicken, and crispy bacon. For those who enjoy traditional Filipino flavors, there's also dried fish and even dried squid. Of course, the spread also includes a fresh salad section, a selection of fruits, and an assortment of pastries. While the buffet may not be the largest, it provides plenty to enjoy and is enough to fuel you for the day ahead. And that wraps up our stay at Coro Hotel and Spa. So how do we rate our experience? Overall, we are giving it a score of 8. The location and cleanliness are definite highlights, both earning a solid 10. While the hotel offers more amenities than most, not everything lived up to expectations. The room's TV felt outdated, and the advertised 2 bathrooms was misleading. The facilities certainly give the hotel the feel of an urban lifestyle destination, not for the noticeable noise levels. Where the hotel really falls short is service, from the front desk and parking attendant lacking warmth to inflexible staff at Coda Bar. This is an area that clearly needs improvement. Altogether, Coro Hotel has great potential, especially for travelers seeking a centrally located stay packed with amenities and a vibrant, fun atmosphere. If you enjoyed this review, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you will be updated every time we post a new video. Your support truly means a lot to us and helps us continue creating more content like this. Thanks so much for watching. Until then, let's keep exploring the world one trip at a time.